Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I decided to show you my Julep box haul. Now, this is for the month of May, so these are my beauty finds and my beauty likes. Some of these I've shown before, but I just wanted to show you the haul in totality for everything that I did get. So let's start off with the card. So this month's theme was "A Party Without a Cake is Just a Meeting" by Julia Childs, the cook. Well, she wasn't so much as a cook, but she had a cooking show. So one of the first things I got, which I needed a refill of, was Clean Slate. It's nail polish remover. I just picked this up, No Limits, which is one of their newest lines. No Limits. It's all over body cream. So let me show you how thick that is. And a little does go a long ways. So it goes on very creamy. And like I said, a little goes a long ways. Also, what I picked up was these here cactus nail motifs. So there's different cactuses. There's only one page of that. Alright, I needed a refill on this here also, which is the Insta Filler. And it's invisible finishing powder. And it's supposed to like fill in the lines and the pores and do like a good thing. Let's see here. So you can do touch-ups with it. It says the powder will melt into your skin, leaving an invisible, soft-focused finish. It also supposed to cut down on the pores. So this is really good. It's just that I hit pan on the 8th use. I hit pan real quick, so it's not a lot of product in it. Not for you to be hitting pan so quickly. So I picked up their pencil sharpener, or should I say makeup sharpener. Let's see how to get this bad boy open. I got these long nails on. I can't do nothing. Alright, so it opens up here. That's where you see it at. It's a different design, I can tell you that. I'm not used to something like this. So, where the pencil or the eyeliner goes into, or the lip liner. Same would be how you get the rest of it open. Okay, just figured it out. But these nails don't allow me to do too much anything. I'm trying so hard. Alright, there we go. So, well, just had it and just lost it. One moment as I find it again. And I can't seem to find it as I'm looking for it. Alright, I can't find it. I've lost it just that quick. It fell and went somewhere. Anyways, moving on. So I picked up this here also, Length Matters, because their last mascara was so good. So I wanted to try it again. So let me open this up for you. I'll show you it. And it is a very black. And this again is their Length Matters. All these are Julep products. So, no ifs, ands, but about it. So then I picked up Don't Leave Your Bra at Home. show you it. And it's all in one brow powder and brush. And I got it in the color of cool brown. So I'm going to show you it. And this is the felt part, the little makeup part. And this is where the product is. So you take it off. So it unscrews at the bottom there. You take it and then you push it into there. So as you see, these two go together. So I picked up another Insta-Fill finishing powder, because like I said, when you hit pan once, you're always going to be iffy, so you're going to make sure that you have at least two from now on. Two of everything. Off with this head. So I picked up this crystal nail polish, nail file. And it doesn't bend. It's real pretty. Pink and all. So I picked up some nail polishes. Now they gave me these two for free, because I did order a lot. And this is in Jolene and Sean. This is Sean, just as Jolene. Alright, they gave me this one also for free. These nails keep me from doing a lot of things that I would like to accomplish real quick and fast. So this one is in, what's the color here? Lanel. So it's a golden color. So we have a purple. Very pretty. And this color is in a hola. I'm butchering the name. It's a hola. So we have this in a grayish blue. And the color of this one is Ida. So we have this in a reddish, I like a pale type red. And the color of this is Rose Bombshell. We have just two more, and this one is another purple. I like my purples. And this is Camilla. Okay.